Welcome back, everybody. Today we have a garden update.
Don't record me. I am not good at recording.
Today we have a little garden update. We're pulling some weeds here. Notice some new sprouts we have coming in. So yeah.
Together, you guys are showing back. But we're just gonna talk about what we've been doing this week and the fun that we've been having.
I have a new fascination with two games. One is a Minecraft Dungeons, and the other one, no surprise, is Hogwarts Legacy.
You told me you were bored of it already.
It's not that I'm bored of it already. It's that, like, as excited as I have been for the last year and a half to get this game, I'm focused on Minecraft Dungeons, so it's fun. It's great. It's a beautiful, genius freaking game.